Are you acting from either memory or inspiration? Memory is thinking, inspiration is allowing. Most of us by far are living out of memories. We re-unconscious to them because we re-basically unconscious, period. In this way of viewing the world, the divine sends a message down from above, into your mind. But if memories are playing, which they almost always are, you won't hear the inspiration, let alone act on it. As a result, divinity doesn't get a word in. You're too busy with the noise going on in your head to hear it. At the core, there is nothing but divinity. That's the zero state where there are zero limits. From divinity, you will receive inspiration. An inspiration is from the divine, but a memory is a program in the collective unconscious of humankind. A program is like a belief, a programming that we share with others when we notice it in others. Our challenge is to clear all the programs so we are back at the zero state, where inspiration can come. Memories are shared. When you spot something in another that you don't like, you have it in you, as well. Your job is to clean it. As you do, it will leave the other person, as well. Actually, it will eventually leave the world. What we individually hold, memories or inspirations, have an immediate and absolute impact on everything from humanity to the mineral, vegetable, and animal kingdoms, he said. When a memory is converted to zero by divinity in one subconscious mind, it is converted to zero in all subconscious minds in all of them. What happens in your soul moment to moment happens in all souls at the same moment. How wonderful to realize this. More wonderful, however, is appreciating that you can appeal to the divine creator to cancel these memories in your subconscious mind to zero and to replace them in your soul and the souls of all with divinity's thoughts, words, deeds, and actions. Divine intelligence is where all of this inspiration comes from, and it's in you. It's already in you. The next level here is called the superconscious. That's simple enough. Hawaiians call this the Omakua. O means across all time and space, and Makua means Holy Spirit or a God, which means that there is a part of you that is timeless and the rest a part of you that has no bounds. That part of you knows exactly what is going on. So, one of the most important things to be aware is to question, who am I? So, what we are saying, what I am sharing with you is that your identity consists of these elements of mind. Now, it is important for you to know that this mind is empty. So, this mind is zero. So, who are you? You are a divine being that's zero. So, why would you want to be zero? When you are zero, everything is available. Everything. So, now, that means that you are created in the image of the divine. I am going to be clear about this because I hear certain things, but I want you to be cleared by the divine. So, you are created in the image of the divine. That means you were created void on one side of the coin and infinite. As soon as you are willing to let go of trash and be empty, then immediately what happens is inspiration fills your being and now you are home free. You don't even have to know that you are home free, because most of the time you won't know. Where is it? Where is it? I've been clean. Come on, tell me where it is? I'll work more. Most of the time you won't know.